Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Jerry. So in this topic, I'm gonna discuss a lot of things about YouTube. As you can see, I have been making more videos, and I'm not monetizing anymore. But my estimated revenue keeps dropping. Last time it was like 18, and then 17, and it just keeps going down. If I'm not monetizing because YouTube says I can't, I think that number should remain stable. They should not take more money away from there. So I'm guessing that number is gonna reach zero, sooner or later. But that's not the topic. The topic is how hard is it to get monetized again, so you can make money. And like I told you before, if you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you made it. And you just need to keep making videos so you can get monetized. But they're not gonna penalize you if your subscribers that drop or your hours drop. So at the beginning, it's gonna be real hard to get to the top of the mountain. But then when you start going down or you start going higher, YouTube is not gonna penalize you anymore. So let me show you how hard is it to get or meet the quota that YouTube wants. It has been a few months, and I'm getting there. It's 875 subscribers. I think for some of us, reaching 1,000 subscribers is gonna be easy, and we're just gonna keep going up, because we're gonna make new connections, new friends, network with new people and stuff like that. But the tough one is gonna be the watch hours. It doesn't matter if we reach 1,000 subscribers. If we don't have the 4,000 watch hours, it's gonna be hard. And let me show you how hard it is. So we're gonna go into the watch time. Anytime now. Computer slow like always. And right now I have 278 hours. So let's do the math real quick. Let me make it a little bit smaller here. So let's clean all this stuff. 4,000 watch hours divided by 12, because that's a year. So at least every month I need to have 333 watch hours, and I don't meet the watch hours in a month. So for the next month I have to make up this, and that's where some of us we struggle, because we make short videos like 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and at the same time it doesn't matter, because I'm gonna show you why. You just have to produce good content. That's the key word. Produce good content, and then your watch time is gonna go up the roof. And if you put 15-20 minutes, do everything that you can to meet the watch hours. But let me show you something else real quick. So this is the last 28 days. So let's go in here, and we're gonna click, not here last year or this year, we're gonna put here the last 365 days, and that's what YouTube is going by. And you see where I'm suffering. So I have 2,286 hours, and at the beginning I was making scrapping videos. I didn't have a lot of subscribers because the scrapping community is not that big. So I will have 7 hours or 6 hours watch time and so forth. But then when I start making new connections with new people and stuff like that, my watch hours start going up. See, 12 hours, 18 hours, and so forth, 16 hours, 17 hours. And it keeps going up because I'm producing new content. More people are watching it. So, at the beginning, all this was just scrapping, scrapping. And like I said, I only had a few scrapper friends, a few hundred. But now I have, since we united, with different channels like gaming channels, fishing channels, cooking channels, any other channels, we combine, network, and everything start going up, For me, I think it's just gonna take a while to reach 4,000, maybe in a few months, maybe 6 months, I will get to 4,000 watch hours. So I'm not holding my hopes up for the number to go up anytime soon, within a month or two. And I will tell you about this. Let me see. Let's go to 1 month only. Okay, 265 watch hours. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you're producing a video that's 30 minutes, 40 minutes. If people are not watching it, then you're not gonna get those minutes, because this is the reason. Look right here. This removing copper from a washing machine, I made this video in it's right here. I made it in 2012, and that's the video that's giving me the more watch hours here. So I have 54, and then the ugly truth about being a scrapper, it gave me 17. And let's dig a little bit deeper on that. So let's see. This video was 12 minutes long, but they don't go by the 12 minutes. They go by the average of what people watch. So if people watch only 3 minutes and 40 minutes of that, and that's the average, they don't go by the minimum or the longest. And that's kind of not cool about YouTube. That you just go by what people watch, like the most that people watch. But anyways, let's round that to 4 minutes. So 4 minutes times 4 minutes times 884, that will give us that many minutes divided by 60, and that will give us like 58. And of course, because I rounded 340 to 4 minutes, it's going to be 54. We just subtract the 20 seconds. I'm sorry, 20 seconds. But you get the point, So the watch hours is 54, and because of this, you multiply this by this, and then that's how you get your number there. So even if you make a video that's like an hour long, 30 minutes long, whatever, if people only view it for 2 minutes, that's all you're gonna get. Like for example, the average on this one is 2 minutes and 19 seconds, and this video it's 5:22. Some other ones, they kind of short. Questions and answers, this was 5:55, and watch hours I made 6, so the average is 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So this is how you go by, not by how long your video is. If people they're not watching it all the way, then what's the point of making a long video? But still, go ahead and make your videos as long as you want, but like I said, mine, I will try to keep it 20 minutes or less, because some people, they have other channels that they want to watch, so they just stop by and say hi. They watch your video for a few minutes and then they just go and watch something else. So if you make it 30 minutes, and I don't know, some they not gonna watch it that long, you know. But for me, like I said, it's gonna take a while, 3 months to 6 months, and then I get to monetize again. And the other thing that I want to talk about is that you don't make a lot of money either. So you know, my family, he just came, so my kids, they're gonna be loud and stuff, and it's time for dinner too. My wife went to go see her sister and her mom, so now they're back. So I'm gonna save the how much money you get paid for another video. Maybe after I eat, and I'll come and make, you know, the other one. But for right now, I just want to show you that it can take a while. If you already have the watch time, you know, the 4,000 plus hours, that's good for you, because the getting the 1,000 subscribers, it should be easier. But for me, my struggle is gonna be the watch time, and not the subscribers. The subscribers, I think I'm gonna hit the subscribers probably in less than a month, you know, 1,000 or more. Let's see. I don't hear my kids coming out of the car, but give me a second. I'll go check real quick. Alrighty, so they here, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video, but I will come back and show you.